Good day everyone, I hope you are doing well. My name is Oday.AbuDhabi. I'm a licensed real estate based in Abu Dhabi. Today we're going to be looking at the Abu Dhabi's market in quarter one in 2026. Jump into the top performing areas, what is to watch out, off-plan project that it is going to be coming. So if you are into real estate market, subscribe and let's dive into it. So in quarter one in 2026, we had 66 billion dirhams only in transactions. That's literally more than half of what we had in 2025. That says a lot. We still have 2 more quarters in Abu Dhabi, so I'm expecting this year is going to be phenomenal for Abu Dhabi's real estate market. Let's jump into the number. Quick video, not gonna take too long. So the record quarter is quarter one in 2026. We've said in the beginning 66 billion dirhams. That's up 160% compared to quarter one in 2025. We've had 13,518 deals closed. This is up almost 7,000 deals than 2025. Sales and purchases is up 228 year on year, as we can see over here on the screen, and the off-plan dominance is on 81% of the total activities that we are seeing. So we can see that the quarter one 2026 alone is nearly half the entire annual figures of 2025. That says a lot about where is Abu Dhabi's real estate market is heading. So where is the money is moving? What is the top performing areas? Hudayriyat is in number one with almost 12 billion dirhams. Hudayriyat, you know, it's the lifestyle destination. It's an island almost with the same size of Manhattan if you are not aware of it, and it offers everything from lifestyle, luxury, sports, beach, golf course, anything you could think of is in Hudayriyat. Number 2 comes Reem Island with 9.45 billions. Reem Island is where the financial district is. ADGM is based in Reem Island, and we've seen quite a few deals as well coming to Reem Island, such as Man Group and a lot of big companies as BlackRock as well. We've got Saadiyat. Saadiyat Island is where the luxurious is where the, you know, all of the museums, where the lifestyle, the best beach is actually in the whole Middle East is in Saadiyat, and Saadiyat beach actually ranked like the 3rd or the 4th best worldwide beach worldwide if we were gonna talk about it. And we've got Yas Island number 4 with 5.5 billion. Why the numbers in Yas is a little bit low compared to the others? I'm sure a lot of people is going to be asking this question, and that's because we didn't have a lot of off-plan launches in Yas Island. Yas Island is almost getting full. We're not seeing a lot of empty plots, and Yas Island always been the entertainment hub of Abu Dhabi. You know, we all know that Disneyland is coming to Yas Island, and we've got the second sphere worldwide after Las Vegas is going to be in Abu Dhabi, and it's going to be by the beginning almost, I think, by 2030. So, you know, we can see at each area in Abu Dhabi it's different than the other. You know, Hudayriyat is the sports, the tourism sports is there. Reem is where the money and the financials, you know, Saadiyat is where the luxury and the museums, and Yas Island is where the entertainment. This is how it goes. Number 5, actually it's new, and we've seen quite a few transactions lately. It is Masdar City, where sustainability sits. We have quite a few off-plan launches coming into Masdar City, and definitely it's one of the areas to keep an eye on because the price per square foot is very affordable compared to other areas. Let's jump into that 11.97 billion in transaction in 1 quarter. So the coastal lifestyle, world-class leisures, we've had the highest FDI, foreign direct investment, this quarter, and the faster rising island in Abu Dhabi. All of this is in Hudayriyat Island. So we can see Hudayriyat Island is the top performer as we saw. Let's talk about off-plan versus ready. a lot of people, they want to buy ready. Ready is always good. Off plan as well is always good. This has its own benefit and this has its own benefit. Off plan still runs the market. As I mentioned in the beginning of the video, 81% of the total sales is coming from off plan and 28% coming from ready properties. Why off plan is dominating? As I mentioned, the developer payment plan beats the mortgage rates. You know, buyers are thinking 3 to 5 years ahead. You know, they can plan their life, they can have more money as an investment, etc. And the ready market signals red and user demand. People buying to live, not to flip or as an investment. The prices plus rentals, the prices are up, rents are up, and the supply is not keeping up in Abu Dhabi. And this is why a lot of people are not paying attention to. As we can see, the annual price growth is 17.8. As we can see, the apartment year on year, we're talking about 22.7%, and the rental price index is up to 16%. However, Abu Dhabi came up that no more rental increase until further notice, so no one can increase the rent if you are living in Abu Dhabi. The supply gap, why this is demand. So we can see the demand growth is almost 6% per year and the supply growth is 3% per year. This gap does not close overnight. Price have structured support. This is not speculative bubble. 4 islands, as I mentioned, different stories. Hudayriyat is the lifestyle, Saadiyat is the culture and the luxury, Reem Island is the waterfront community with ADGM, and Yas Island is the entertainment and the tourism hub. This is my take, what this means right now. As we can see, 17, almost 18% waiting for the price to drop. The data says otherwise. The demand is outspaced the supply. I don't see Abu Dhabi prices is going to be down. As we can see, 81% is going for off plan because the flexible payment plan, better value and stronger upside. And number 1 area is Hudayriyat and Masdar City. Masdar City as well is one of the best areas that can perform ROI rental wise if you own a property over there. These are all data based on ADREC and trusted sources. These are my details. If you would like to get more information, you can click on my profile, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any news about Abu Dhabi's real estate market, and I'll see you soon.